The stuttering and silence, dude.
Yes. I'm going to exclude it based on relevance, 403, lack of notice.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Your Honor, inasmuch as it has produced a knife and hit and that they have known, we have provided that information from day one. This is not something that has been kept. And inasmuch as it is a firearm that has been used in a shooting that we believe was committed by and perpetrated by one of the, or at least a member or associate of the enterprise that we're talking about for a reason.
Okay. Well, I asked you if you had anything that tied this gun to a particular YSL co-conspirator, and you said no.
That same firearm was used about a month earlier at a location.
She begins to yap for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know why these judges don't control the courtroom and tell her to stop. If the defense did this, it'd be World War III. She'd be like, I already ruled.
So I'll hear from the defense.
So it sounds like the judge might be flipping back.
Yes, sir.
Well, first of all, there's a lot of irrelevant police reports that are included in discovery. Many irrelevant police reports and irrelevant incidents that are included in discovery. So just because the state put in discovery and we didn't jump up and down doesn't all of a sudden make something relevant.
Great point. There's been other things in discovery that end up being irrelevant.
Your Honor, what the state is not telling you, and quite honestly, I think they're being a little misleading. And, they also know from the discovery, if we're being honest about it, in the discovery there's several references to Shell Kell shooting up 2905 Springdale Road. Nothing's funny about this. And
Miss Love always be chuckling, and she still does reactions in front of the jury. I hate it.
they have no clue. The police have no clue. No one was charged with it. And now they want to bring in a separate incident that involves a man, it appears from me reading the police report, a man, Mr. Strozier, who's targeted outside Blue Flame, waiting on his wife to cash out, probably a robbery.
Was apparently the same gun used at the Springdale Road location, which is suspected to have been done by a YSL member, but could equally have been done by somebody who's not YSL under the theory that, it's the state's theory, right? It is circumstantial evidence. All right. And yes, you can prove your case based on circumstantial evidence. You have a right to do that. But I do not find that this Blue Flame incident is intrinsic to the issues in this indictment. So I am excluding it. All right. So does that mean that we're done with this witness? Do you have any case law about, because it's not to report a crime in progress. The crime already occurred. And maybe, we don't know whether they just discovered it, even though it occurred 30 minutes to an hour ago or not. We don't have that information, but it's not a crime in progress and it's not to avert immediate danger. It still also may not be something that anybody objectively would know would be used in a future prosecution. They don't seem to be saying, we think it was, the big bad wolf who stole my car. We're just saying my car's gone. So do you have anything that covers that kind of a situation in case law?
Your Honor, I can be with the court's permission, getting it while we're putting up other pieces.
All right, she's not our next witness anyway, right?
Oh, thirsty as hell. Detective Starks.
It's a rifle that I located in the closet in the ID of Chandler Durham that I located in the shoebox with inside of the closet.
So here's a screenshot of the body cam of him finding the ID. All right, Huey's lawyer, Mr. Matthews, up for cross.
You have the ability to take out warrants for people when you believe that something awry has happened and a crime has been committed, correct?
Yes.
Can you look at this jury and can you tell them that you took out a warrant for a rifle found at this particular location for Mr. Mark Bailey's?
I did not.
You had the ability to do it, right?
Yes.
You did not.